Everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and today we are looking at a drone that is for kid-friendly, indoor use, beginner-friendly, easy to fly, self-stabilizing. You get everything you need in the box. You're going to get the drone. There's already a battery inside. You get an additional battery, so 9 minutes per battery of flight time. You're going to get the screwdriver, some extra blades, and the USB-C charging cable because these are rechargeable. So the drone is rechargeable to keep your fun going. Now, there are batteries that are required for the remote. That's why you get that screwdriver. But once you get those in, you are all set and ready to go. This thing has LED lights around the side. I'll show you here how easy it is to fly and what it looks like. This is going to make a great gift for the kids, heck, even the adults. It's fun to fly inside and beginner friendly if you're looking for that drone. Maybe your first drone that you want to fly, like a hang of it, then definitely check out this drone. But let's take a look and see how it flies. All right, I have the remote paired and the drone is on. You can see how cool it is with those bright lights. It'll be awesome to fly in the dark too as well. Here's our remote. On the remote itself, you're gonna have takeoff and land. You're gonna on and off. And then over here, you have a speed control for fast or high. And then it could do a 360 flip too as well with that button. But on this side, we can just go ahead and push this up to start the drone. And once you fly a drone, you get the hang of it. It becomes pretty easy to fly. And there you go. There you have it.